Friends, welcome back to our channel. We are back after a long time, but was slightly upset, so wasn't there. Uh, I had planted these three Asiatic Lily bulbs and was expecting to get good blooms, but I don't know for whatever reason the buds didn't come, or they came and they dried off like this, and they fell off. Some of the buds dried green, fell off when they were green, and some have turned like this. And there was only one bud that was there on the plant, and I was hoping and waiting for it to bloom, but I don't know how and who broke it. So I don't know what to do. So then I thought, why not give it a chance? And here I am going to try the grafting method on this particular plant. And how we do it is that we cut off the top like this, sharp cut, then make a cut in between like this. We slice it open about half an inch or to 1 inch, and then we take this bud that we had broken, the broken bud, and then we make a V, kind of V shape insertion kind of a thing on this, and something like this. Yeah, this is it. And then I have made these small rings to hold it. I don't know whether this will happen or not. Yeah, this will work to kind of hold it steady on this particular thing. And now we slice it in very smoothly and slowly like this, and then I kind of secure it with this thread. Oops. One second, guys. It's not happening, so it's okay. Then we wrap it with the grafting tape, and I didn't have the grafting tape, so I made a makeshift grafting tape, and we kind of make a airtight knot, or wrap it around like this, so that the moisture and the other things that don't get into it. We wrap it nicely, tightly, a little tightly, so it kind of becomes airtight. You must have seen my earlier videos where we had done grafting on Sadabahar also, and we got three different colored Sadabahar plants on one. So thought this might work on this as well. Why not give this plant a chance and this flower a chance, that we are able to at least get one bloom out of these plants. I have other plants also in the other pots, the Asiatic lilies, but yeah, why lose a flower? And here, trying to save the flower, we wrap it nicely, tightly, so that it is secure, and the plant gives the bud the food it requires, the main plant. And this is a little longer tape that I have made, grafting tape, but yeah, the more it is, the more secure it may be. So just wrapping it around the knot. I hope this works on this and we are able to get the bloom. We'll share the updates, we'll keep you posted. If you are not following us, then follow us, so that you know what happened to this plant. And happy gardening. See you around. All the best.